When this girl now started dragging me, the next thing she now said she has my nude. That is where the hatred came from.
Ewo Chineke, who get that thing where they want for my dance floor? All more things they all call. Blessing CEO don't finally come out, can they tell the general public why she no like Nkechi Blessing again? Ever since when Nkechi Blessing drag her for social media, say she lost all the respect where she be they get for her. We all know say Nkechi Blessing and Blessing CEO be friends before. Any small thing when Blessing CEO post, na so Nkechi go run giddy gada gada con they put love emoji. Them be friends before they drag each other come social media. Now this girl don't talk why she no like Nkechi Blessing again. My country people, this G sweet bye and not be waiting you go like miss. So drag your popcorn and your chair come front, make you listen to waiting this girl talk. More things they happen. No, if you be the type where they share things, make you stop to the share things cause your friend today might be your enemy tomorrow. Make I play the video, make una hear.
Blessing reached out to me and said, babes, how far now? Your body is looking so natural. I thought and say, okay, see where I did my body, because I didn't hide my body. This is where I did my body.
Body is natural now.
Who?
Nkechi.
Yeah, Nkechi Blessing. I'm talking of myself. She was saying, where did I do my body that it was nice?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
I now said, okay, when you're ready. So she now took a picture of herself, showed me. You know, I thought, don't worry, doctor is going to. You know, when you're on a plus size, they have what they call those dimples. Cellulite. No worry, when you go there, they go use fat, take film. When this girl now started dragging me, the next thing she now said she has my nude. That is where the hatred came from. What was the nude? After my surgery, I shared my before and my after to Nkechi Blessing. Just wait to see. That was what she posted. I lost every.
She posted it?
Yes. I lost every. Because I also had her own quick news.
Chime, but this one is not sounding good at all. If na so it take happen, I no support this one. How person go share you something in secret? Una two can't get problem. You can't they use them against her. It no make sense now. Allegedly, cause I know they there. No be me, middle woman. I just they say if na so it happen, it no good. But Blessing CEO and Nkechi Blessing, two of una look good together when una been friends. So sometimes then I could jump the envy una say which kind of friendship be this one wey sweet bye. You can't they do me one kind when una can't get issue. I beg make una try resolve una matter, make una come back together. Make the thing wey bite for night, make una leave am as mosquito. Make una come back together. I mean, my people waiting on nothing. Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Still one and only Ami Bogel Cindy. Ngwano. Bye.